Hey riders, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to test your bike's fuel level sensor. Is it working properly or is it gone faulty? This one is the world fuel level sensor of my bike Bajaj Discover 125. Now watch how am I going to open the sensor core unit. Be cautious while opening the cover, else it might damage the sensitive parts. This consists of float and sliding contact which will output the resistance based on the slide position and send the signal to the fuel magnitude gauge which shows the amount of gas present in the tank. And there we go. As we can see here, a small wire linings are there where the slide is in continuous contact with it. As the float moves up and down depending on the amount of fuel in the tank, the fuel gauge displays the accurate measure. I will disconnect the battery connection which is connected to the fuel level sensor of the bike and connect it to old fuel level sensor that I have showed before. Let's switch on the ignition. As I go and lift the float, the pointer in the fuel gauge rises simultaneously. As you can see, the fuel level sensor is working properly. When you perform this, if the fuel sensor is faulty, then the pointer will not rise or it will not move a bit. Once I release the float to normal position, the pointer will be back to zero position. This concludes the video on how to test your bike's fuel level sensor, whether is it gone faulty or working properly. Before you leave this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like for this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I will answer them definitely. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a safe and happy ride until then.